Okay, now how to draw angle bisectors of a triangle. For that we have to follow some steps. So step number 1 is draw or construct a triangle. Now we are given the values of the measurements of the sides of the triangle, that is side AB is 4.6, side BC is 5.1 and side AC is 5 centimeter, and we have to draw or construct. Now taking small steps, we will make or construct this triangle. Now first we will draw a rough figure so that the measurements are clear to us, that AB is 4.6, BC is 5.1 and AC is 5 centimeter. Now step number 1 is that you will draw a line segment AB of 4.6 centimeter with the help of a ruler. Now from point B, what you will do, you will take the compass and you will take the radius of 5 centimeter from the ruler like this, and now you will place your compass at point B and you will draw a arc. Now here the measurement is 5.1 centimeter. In the same way, from point A you will draw another arc that is of 5 centimeter. You will take the measurement from the ruler and you will place it here and you will intersect it. And now this point is called C. Now you will join this point with B, and similarly from C to A. In this way you have constructed triangle ABC. Now the steps of construction are very simple. That first you will draw a line AB of 4.6 centimeter with the ruler. From point B, taking radius of 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc at point C. From point A, take radius of 5 centimeter and draw an arc cutting the first arc with the compass. Join point C to B, C to A with a ruler. Hence triangle ABC is constructed. In this way you have constructed the triangle. Now we will move on to the second part, that is how to draw the bisectors of the angle. Now how to draw the bisectors of angle A, B and C. First we will draw the angle bisector A. Now as we have constructed the triangle ABC, now what we will do, that from point A we will take our compass and we will open it to the radius of 1.5 centimeter and we draw an inside arc inside the triangle. Now the point where it is cutting AB, we say it is 1, and the point where it is cutting the side AC, we say it is point 2. From point 1, again with the same radius we draw an arc like this, and from point 2 we cut it like this. Now with the help of a ruler, join point A with this point of intersection. This is the angle bisector of A, or bisector of angle A. Similarly, on the same basis we will draw the angle bisector of B and C. Now moving to the steps of construction. From point A, draw an arc with the compass inside the triangle, cutting sides AB and AC. Taking the point 1 with same radius, draw another arc, and taking the point 2 with same radius, draw an arc cutting the first arc at point A. Join capital A to small a with a ruler. This is the angle bisector of A. Hope you have understood how to make the angle bisector, that you will put the compass here and you will intersect or make an arc that is intersecting both the lines at point 1 and 2. Then again you will put the compass here and draw an arc here, and at 2 you make another arc intersecting this arc. Now you will join this point to this point. So this line is this line A moving outward. This is the angle bisector of the triangle. By using the same method, we have drawn the angle bisector of angle B and angle bisector of angle C. Now, if you look closely, you see that both the three lines that are angle bisector A, B and C, it is meeting at a common point which is called I. This is in center of a triangle. So by joining all the bisectors of the angle A, B and C, we see a common point of intersection of all the three lines. So internal bisector of a triangle meet at a point called the incenter of triangle. So the angle bisectors of triangle ABC are concurrent at point I. That all the three lines meet at a single point. In this way, we have drawn the angle bisectors of a triangle, and we have proved that they are concurrent, or they are meeting at a certain point inside the triangle. Hope you have understood this concept.